Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power down your HP Pavilion 15-inch BC450NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove any peripherals such as USB devices or external monitors. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel. As you lift the panel, take a moment to observe the internal components. This is a good opportunity to clean any dust or debris using compressed air, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling. Now locate the RAM slots. You should see 1 or 2 slots depending on your current configuration. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick outward. The module will pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. If you are adding a new module, simply align the notch on the RAM stick with the slot and insert it at a 30-degree angle. Press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Our team can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you make an informed decision. After installing the RAM, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Once the back panel is secured, flip the laptop back over and reconnect it to the power source. Power on your device and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. Check the memory section to confirm that the new RAM is recognized. If everything looks good, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. If you encounter any issues or if the RAM is not recognized, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your laptop back in top shape. In conclusion, upgrading the RAM in your HP Pavilion 15-BC450NS can significantly improve its performance, especially for multitasking and demanding applications. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this upgrade yourself, or you can rely on our professional services for a hassle-free experience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.